Hi. What is my viewpoint about motivational watching motivational videos or motivational reading motivational quotes or studying self-help books? First and foremost thing is there are two types of vehicles. What is my opinion about it? And it simply means what it is that's the opinion about motivational videos. Particularly, I am also telling a lot of motivational, and it's all about reading and listening, and what is the effect it takes place about our actions, our perceptions. First and foremost thing is motivation is not about simply taking action and showing the physical results. It's also about the happiness, which I can't see in my early life. When I understand somebody give me some type of bad thing, I'm not saying that motivation is about taking action and showing the physical solid results and in terms of money, in terms of total social status or nothing like that. It's also about the invisible results which you can experience, but you can't say that it is success in the outer world. For example, self-esteem, for example, self-satisfaction. Although you are successful in the outer world, this self-satisfaction might not be felt. So, when you are expressing your viewpoint to others, others may think that your viewpoint is not good, but as far as you are concerned, you are so satisfied about that. So, don't take it. Self motivation is all about uh, getting results or getting rich or getting solid physical value out of that. No, it's not like that. And about self motivation and self motivation is nothing but when you are getting a lot of information about the motivational stuff and other things, or when you are in particular situation, the way you perceive the things so that you feel motivated. Either it might be bad or good. That depends on the way the society or self perceives. So it's all about good or bad, it's about motivation. So when I am motivated to do something or to feel something or to experience something, so it's about my internal reference point, that is perception. So watching motivational videos, how is going to change our lives? I'm not saying that watching motivational videos or any type of motivational books, reading motivational books or reading any quotes can give you anything. I'm not assure you that. See, first and foremost thing is you are getting knowledge. That is only potential knowledge. There are two types of things. Our when you have eaten food, that might be a fat, that might be a muscle, according to the use of what you are use utility. If you have real utility, that food will going to a good nutrition. Otherwise it will be a otherwise it will be junk food. So either you need it or not, either you need that motivation or not. Because of that only your motivational video works. It's just information. It's just information, and we do not guarantee you the motivation. It will just give you the information. Any motivational video is not at all a motivational video. It's about just information. But when you are saying with such an emotion, others feel that okay, It's like it's connect with you, so you feel motivated. But it's like starter motor. Just a starter motor will help you to a certain extent to get you started. But after that, it's your own internal engine that actually motivates you. So this internal engine, actually how much powerful that engine is, how much, what's the character of that engine, what is the specifications of that engine, is upon which your results will depend. So do your motivational video ensures the starter motor to start, but it's the results are actually not about, the results are to be getting from the internal engine, internal motivation. So the results will, you will get to internal motivation. If you have that, if you are not self-taught, then you need motivational videos, motivational books or self-help books. So you can't entirely depend on the starter motor to completely change the results. You can't at all. So what is the utility? You are taking some information. Are you really in need of that information? Are you just watching them for sake of getting some pleasure or some little bit of gas, internal gas? It's a little bit of motivation. Are you just watching it for the sake of dopamine, and the saying you feel good about your life? Are you just watching it for the sake of you are addicted to watching that type of videos, or you are addicted to read that books without having any utility value, without having any real intention to implement? So here the intention word is to be important. While you are watching some video, for example, if you say how to be happy, and some motivational speaker will tell you, or some self-help book will tell you how to be happy, but your intention, how, intention means intensity. You have to understand the intensity, how much you want to be happy. Are you really need to be happy? Are you addicted to becoming sad? Means you are so much habituated to be sad, then you are watching of one time or two or five times or 10 times, watching or reading a self-help book about the becoming, how to be happy. That video will not going to change you entirely. You need to take up one idea from that book and practice it with a schedule, practice it with a systematic way. Yes, systematic way, practice it on systematic way. uh, Keep reminders about that particular idea. For example, how to be happy, if you say it's all about your perspective, how you think, then okay, it's your thinking that matters, either you will be happy or sad. Are you, so for example, if somebody calls you mm, at 8 a.m. Or whatever time it be, but if somebody calls you and asks you to come to night duty at 1 o'clock, you have to be at night duty, or some exercise is going to be started, so you don't get enough sleep, or you might be so you take it negatively, or you can take it positively. It's all about your thinking. Okay, okay, 1 o'clock, no, not bad. I'm going to be there, and after going there, I will do some positive job. Although I have to wake up, so for the long time, in a Shivaratri, Mahasivaratri, everybody is excited to get to wake up. Why? Why? Because it's like fun. If you want to have fun, you have to wake up. But somebody's fun is somebody's punishment. So to wake up at that moment might be fun or punishment. It all depends on your perception, the way you think about that. So if you have the intention, such as your dream is connected to wake up at 1 o'clock, if you connect to that dream, why you want to be, why, what for, that fur is so much intention is so much intensified, then waking up at 1 o'clock, don't feel bad about it, you feel good about it, because you are going to realize that dream. So that dream is so much clear for you, it's exciting you, it's so much visual, so much of exciting you and joyful for you, and you enjoy the 1 o'clock also. You can utilize that time for the purpose of realizing your dream. Otherwise you are simply going to be sad or sit idly, and you don't do that thing and think of that fellow who want you to come at night negatively. So don't do it, and bless him, bless that person who called you at night, and ask and use that time. So always be grateful for whatever the situation is. The situation is happening for you, not against you. So it is for you. So the situation will make you better person, will make you joyful, because you think that way. So change your thinking, and it will be changed. Your energies, your negative energy will be changed. So it's all about attitude. So attitude means the way you perceive the things, the way you see that look at things. And that's why I'm saying you that motivation is all about information. It's nothing more, nothing less. But that information either is have some utility value for you or not. Or is it useful for you, or you are going to use it? What is the intention to take that information? If that intention is that intensified, then that information is going to be helpful for you, and that's not going to be a junk for you, and that information is actually giving you that energy. uh, Otherwise it will be like fat, and you need to carry it every day, but without that mental stuff, that junk information, that motivational stuff which is junk information for you, because you don't have any utility, any intention, intensify intention, you don't have that. So you will always carry it in your mind only. Can't connect it to your heart. That information is to reach your heart, means you have to emotionalize, you have to implement it in that severe intensified intention. So what I'm saying here is motivational video is just information. You can't label it bad or good. It's all about your intention, intensified intention. That is passion. So if you need it, really that moment of time, that will teach, really give you that kick. Otherwise, it's simply a burden for you, and simply a bad thing for you. Don't consume it for just for consuming, but consuming, just don't consume just for the sake of consuming. Then consuming anything that might be motivation, or that might be anything. So you have to take input with intention. If your input have no intention, then don't take it. So your intention should be very much clear, or intensive information, intense to take your information intentionally, because that is going to form you, that is going to form your character, that is going to build your character. So information or intake of food or whatever, information which is going to make you physically strong, or maybe that going to uh, you know weaken you, because that's going to be a fatty food for you if you don't utilize this. So that junk is not at all junk, or something good also is not at all good. If you take only green tea, okay, that's also not good for you. Although green tea is good for some people who are fatty, who have a lot of nutrition, have taken a lot of food, for that person only green tea will be helpful. But if you don't have anything in your stomach, you don't have that energy stores inside you, then if you take green tea, that's going to be bad for your health. So it's all about your intention. So you must be clear, is it good for you according to that particular purpose. So particular purpose is to be clear one. So either no person, or no person is good, or no person is bad. Everybody is doing good for you, but you must look at it in a positive sense. So you must be purposefully have to choose your information or food purposefully. This purpose is so much relevant for your intake of information. Either it might be motivational or demotivational, because motivational is not at all motivational. Either this tag will be need to be added because you have a clear purpose in your mind, then only it's going to be motivational. If you want to somebody push you, you have to set your direction. That direction comes through your purpose. So that direction, if you are not clear about in which direction you want to go, then simply consuming motivational video is only going to be a junk for you. So you should avoid that type of junk. Instead of that, you simply sit and be clear about what's your purpose in taking this motivational information or whatever it might be. So that information is just an information. Motivational is just an information, but you must be think of your purpose before heading before taking this motivational or anything quote or anything else. So what is your purpose? That must be set in your mind. That must be deep inside your mind. You have to be so much clear. If you don't have that intention, don't take any information. If without intention, don't take information. So you need to take information with intention. That's information. Intensified information. Okay, thank you. And I will tell you something like